Article 12, which is exempting circumstances. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. First, an imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or an insane person has committed an act which the law defines as a felony or delito, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospital or asylums established for person thus afflicted, which he shall not be permitted to leave without the obtaining the permission of same court. Second, a person under 9 years of age. Third, a person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the Provision Act of Article 80 of this code. Fourth, any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Fifth, any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Sixth, any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. 7. Any person who fails to perform an act by law when prevented by some lawful insuperable cause.